Induction. Induction refers to the process of introducing a newcomer to his employer or the company and work environment. Okay, so basically simply an introduction with who you are going to work for. Okay, it includes company overview like the mission, vision, values, history, objectives and clients, business verticals, management team, hierarchy, policies, dress code, business conduct guidelines, joining and statutory forms, etc. So generally in real life, in general, normally what happens is when a new employee is joined in an organization, they as a part of this induction program, what they'll do is they'll take all the newcomers to a conference hall and they'll just play a PPT telling that this is our company. From now on, you're the part of this company. Our mission is this, our vision is this, our values are this, our beliefs are this. So you have to follow all this vision. You have to respect all them, and these are the rules and regulations that have to be followed in our organization in general. And all these things you tell that these are our clients, these are our verticals, these are our divisions. We have these many branches in the country, and all these things they will be in explaining to you. So basically, they are introducing the company that you are about to work for to you. That is basically induction. Now, orientation. Orientation, on the other hand, is a well-designed program which aims at reorganizing a new employee and making him accustomed to his department, to his job role, and the work culture. That means in orientation, we are basically trying to introduce the employee, the place that he is about to. That means, see, our basic aim in orientation is to reduce the discomfort to the employee. That means, see, in order to make the newcomer feel home, feel satisfied, or feel comfortable, you basically use this orientation thing. Okay, now simply in simple terms, aligning with job role and responsibilities and work culture. Okay, now it includes, that means this orientation program in different, see, first of all, this different organizations provide induction orientation as per their as per their own rules, as per their own policies and all these things. That means the style of providing this induction and orientation may vary from organization to organization, that you have to keep in mind. Now it includes, this orientation program includes multiple learning methods like presentation and videos. That means in order to provide orientation, some organizations use presentations and videos. They can also use information sessions, online learning, workplace tour, and formal meetings with the teams and departments, information of procedures and processes, information of work assignments, job, clients, introduction to team members and key contacts, information about employment terms and conditions. Now you don't need to remember all these things. This is just basically for your reference, telling that okay, this is orientation, this is how orientation looks like, this is what happens in orientation, these are the different things that can be used in order to provide orientation. And different organizations provide this induction and orientation in their own way.